That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Every journey begins with a dream. On the court, one truth is clear. Winning is sweet, but it's the losses that build your strength. The ball can take everything, yet it always finds its way back. And in that moment, the choice is yours. To rise, to reset, to play smart. We rose above the odds, so can you.
What's up mga ka-Arena Plus? Makinig ka mabuti dahil ito na ang pinakamalupit na playoffs promo na pwede mong salihan ngayong taon. Introducing Arena Plus Playoffs MVP, Battle for the Most Valuable Predictor. Dito, hindi ka lang manonood. Ikaw ang magdidesisyon kung sino ang panalo and pwede kang maging instant milyonaryo. Mga ka-Arena Plus, 1 bilyong piso ang pwedeng mapanalunan. At ang pinakamagandang part, free to play to. Walang deposit, walang taya, walang risk. Prediction skills mo lang ang puhunan mo. May makukuha kang 2 free prediction tickets at ang gagawin mo lang, i-predict ang buong playoffs kung sino ang mananalo sa bawat match-up at pati exact game results. Kailangan tama lahat ng picks para masungkit ang jackpot kaya game on talaga ang laban dito. Pwede kang mag-submit pero take note ha, kailangang fully KYC verified ka para maging valid ang entry mo. At kung akala mo tapos na, hindi pa dahil may kasunod pang bakbakan, ang 100 million MVP bracket. Simula April 11, may 1 free ticket ka ulit at ang mission mo, i-predict lahat ng 15 playoffs matchups. Isang winner ang siguradong mag-uwi ng 100 million pesos. Kung sakaling may mga dikit na scores, may 50 million pesos shared prize pool na paghahatian ng mga susunod na top predictors. Kaya panalo ka pa rin kahit hindi ka number 1. Lahat ng entries mo from March 21 to April 18, automatic kasali sa raffle draw. Kung saan pwede kang manalo ng 1 million pesos o kaya naman 100,000 pesos. Solid, di ba? Kaya mga ka-Arena Plus, ito ang chance mo. Walang taya, walang kaba. Pure excitement lang. Visit now Arena Plus social pages and website. Kumpletuhin ng KYC at ilabas ang galing mo sa prediction. This is Arena Plus NBA Playoffs 1 Billion MVP Dream. Brought to you by Arena Plus.
On the court, one truth is clear. Winning is sweet, but it's the losses that build your strength. Every win excites you. Every loss shapes you. We rose above the odds, so can you.
Every player has a story. Begin yours now at arenaplus.ph. Gaming is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. For more information, visit www.pagcor.com/regulatory.
Tara na! Bukas na yan! Wala naman boss mo eh!
Ngayon kasi ang deadline nito. Ahabol na lang ako sa inyo.
Ganyan ang Pinoy!
Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3 Capsule helps avoid pain discomfort. Iwas-iwas sa sakit.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng patibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Bilib ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Samphon Plus Gold.
Ako si Morito na namamaga ang aking atay. Sa loob ng 2 linggo na paggamit ko ng Santon Plus Gold, nawala ang pamamaga sa aking atay. Maraming salamat sa Santon Plus Gold.
Samphon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Samphon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang Unique toothpaste may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with Unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang atay ay importanteng organ ng katawan. Sa unhealthy lifestyle, maaari itong madamage at humina. For liver health, may Liverate Pro. Ang Liverate Pro ay silimarin and vitamins. With proper diet and exercise, it may help maintain liver health. Liverate Pro ay maaari ding makatulong sa treatment ng chronic inflammatory conditions tulad ng fatty liver. Take it from the pro. Mag-liver up na. Liverate Pro. Mabibili ang Liverate Pro sa lahat ng leading drugstores nationwide. Silimarin plus multivitamins is the generic name of Liverate Pro. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Para sa maayos na liver function, Liverate Pro. Liver up na tayo with Liverate Pro.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Extraordinary. With Alpha, Beta, Gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, capsule, coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Hello, I'm Cheryl Cosim, news anchor and TV host. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
BM Extraordinary with MX3. DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.